Hi, I'm Joanne from 15spatulas.com, and we are making the best egg salad. This is my absolute favorite and such a lunchtime staple for me. And I love that you can eat it with crackers as a snack. You can put it into lettuce cups. You can put it into sandwiches. There are so many different ways that you can eat it. So to get started, I have 12 large hard-boiled eggs here. And listen, I make and eat a lot of hard-boiled eggs, and I've tested all sorts of methods for how to make them the best. And the way that I like to do it for an easy peel is to put them into boiling water very gently, cook them for 12 minutes, and then put them into an ice bath. Let them cool for a couple minutes, and then it'll peel like a dream. It'll change your life. No more egg peeling drudgery. So I'm gonna put this into a big bowl, and I just chopped it up into pieces so that you still get big pieces of white, but all that yolk is going to blend into the dressing, make it nice and creamy. And then we're gonna add some greenery and freshness to this. First, I've got some chopped celery, about 2 ribs or a ½ cup. Gotta have that in egg salad. Then I have a ½ cup of scallions. It's about 3 scallions or so. I had 6 little cornichons. They're like these little pickles. They're my favorite. Chop that up, so about 2 tablespoons of that. Last but not least, for the freshness, 2 tablespoons of fresh dill. Love that stuff. So for our creaminess, we're gonna add a ¼ cup plus 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. It's gonna make it creamy, but we're not gonna overdo it here. And then 2 teaspoons of mustard. Just use your favorite. Spicy, Dijon, that goes in. We're gonna give it a generous pinch of salt. It's really just to taste. Probably about ¼ teaspoon to ½ teaspoon is good. And then lots of freshly cracked black pepper. Then we're gonna stir it up. Once the egg salad is mixed together, you want to chill it for a few hours, and then you can eat it however you would like. My favorite way is to put it into a sandwich. So I've got 2 pieces of bread here. You want to get a good couple of spoonfuls onto one side. I'm kind of greedy about my filling, so I do a lot. And then take a piece of lettuce. Beautiful. Lay that down. Add a few slices of tomato. I made bacon. I always make bacon. Put a few pieces of that on there. You could even do avocado. Mine aren't ripe yet, so. Stick that right on top. Slice it in half. And you have a beautiful sandwich. That's a sandwich that I want to eat. And then I always like to serve it with some potato chips. And that is happiness right there. That's good.